Hello, today I'm going to show you our Sanda sport coolers. This is our 4.5 kilowatt sport cooler. It uses R410A refrigerant, which is widely used in workshops, restaurants, kitchens, and places which need mobile cooling. Now I'm going to show you how it works. After you put power to it, press the on button. And the inner fan start working. Please wait for about 3 minutes before the compressor start working because the machine needs about 3 minutes for self-checking. The speed of the inner fan can adjust by the up and down keys. One for slow, one for strong wind.
3 minutes later.
Now let's test the temperature of the hot wind outlet. Temperature is about 40 degrees. The temperature of cold wind outlet is about 14 degrees. Wow, it's very cool and strong. For more information, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.